On this video, we're analyzing a sample of rice residue, which was the result of the industrial selection. The goal of this analysis is to measure the vitreous whole grains index. The lower is the vitreous whole grains index, the better is the capacity of the industrial selection, and thus, smaller is the economic loss of the process. Entering the S21 software. Selecting the dimensional class of the rice. Identifying the sample and start capturing the images. Informing the weight of the sample. Starting the image capture. This process takes from 20 to 30 seconds with the scanner on. Processing the sample. This process also takes from 20 to 30 seconds depending on the size of the sample. In the end of the process, the program displays a screen with the grains considered whole. Notice that, when there are two grains in the same spot, it's the one in the center that's being analyzed. This chalkier grain, which is aside, will be analyzed on the next picture. As you can see, it has a larger chalky area than the previous one. Now, let's access the basic filter menu in order to apply it to the residues. After applying the filter, the S21 highlights on the screen the spotted grains. We can also alter the visual mode to group and visualize the indexes. Check it out. This is the screen with the vitreous grains of the sample, and its percentage in weight. This is the screen with the grains with physical defects and its index. This is the screen of chalky grains. This is the white belly grains screen. Now, let's save and visualize the result. The report displays the result in two columns. One in grams, according to the informed weight of the sample, and the other in percentage weight. This kind of analysis is usual, and also very important to assess the process of industrial selection and decrease the loss of good grains to the residue.